Fine motor skills are essential for children as they develop their ability to control small movements, particularly in their hands and fingers. Today, let's explore 5 engaging activities that can help improve these skills while keeping the little ones entertained. First up, we have the classic activity of threading beads. This simple yet effective exercise requires children to pick up small beads and thread them onto a string or shoelace. It's not just fun, it enhances hand-eye coordination and precision. Plus, kids can create colorful patterns, adding a creative twist to the task. Next, let's talk about Play-Doh. Squishing, rolling, and molding Play-Doh is a fantastic way for children to strengthen their hand muscles. Encourage them to create shapes, animals, or even letters. As they manipulate the dough, they're not only improving dexterity, but also engaging their imagination. Moving on, we have cutting with safety scissors. This activity is perfect for introducing children to the concept of cutting paper. Provide them with various shapes to cut out, like circles or stars. This practice not only enhances their grip and control, but also boosts their confidence as they see their creations come to life. Another great activity is building with blocks or Lego. As children stack and balance pieces, they're developing spatial awareness and fine motor coordination. Encourage them to follow specific designs or let them build freely. The sense of accomplishment they feel when their structure stands tall is priceless. Lastly, let's not forget about puzzles. Working on puzzles requires children to manipulate